So here we have some cabbage here, and all you really want to do is just kind of squeeze that out. Notice how beautiful these roots are.
Nice root system.
Nice and white. So you look at it, that's really nice. And I like to kind of tickle that a little bit, you know, to kind of get that going. And what I'll do, I just simply dig a spot here. And I usually plant mine, I go about maybe 2 inches, maybe 3 inches deep. And then I just kind of rake around it.
Okay.
And that usually works pretty good. And I do kind of push it up a little bit when I put a raised bed so that they can have that little, flow, the drainage there. Now, we also have some cauliflower.
Okay, here. Cauliflower.
Yes, and cauliflower is just, again, one of my favorites. And the same thing, we're gonna go about, in this bed, I'm gonna go about 12 inches apart, put it down about 3 inches, and there we go. Again, just kind of
make that little ridge you were talking
lift that up a little bit,
okay.
Get that good drainage. They grow well in all types of conditions. They can take soils that are high in clay, they can take soils that are high in sand, and of course anything in between. As far as getting the soil ready, like any other crop, they want a well-drained soil.
Okay,
that's what they want. Also, they like to have a what I would call a pre-plant fertilizer, something like 6-12-12 to go with them, because they just tend to do better when they have that little boost of fertilization there to get started with. If I'm planting them in a field, I kind of like to have them ridged up a little bit, and plant, within the ridge. But in, a raised bed here, we can work around that. That's no problem to get started on that.
Okay.
If you're planting them in the garden, I want you to remember 36-15.
36-15.
Yes, 36-inch row, width between rows, and 15 inches apart. And that usually will take care of it.
Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please click the subscribe button below.